In a major breakthrough against narcotics smuggling, the Mungiakami Police intercepted 10 kg dry cannabis at the Mungiakami Railway Station on Monday. Acting on a specific tip of, law enforcement officers apprehended 2 individuals hailing from Bihar who were attempting to smuggle the contraband out of the state by posing as ordinary passengers. The operation was led by Sanes Barma, officer in charge of Mungiakami Police Station. Based on intelligence regarding a high-value shipment moving through the rail network, police personnel intensified surveillance across the station platforms early Monday morning. The arrested individuals are Madhu Kumar and Santosh Kumar, both residents of Bihar. The seized cannabis is worth approximately Rs 1 lakh, said the OC.
आज दोपहर 1 बजे में हम लोग के पास एक सीक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन आया था। उसका अनुसार हम लोग 2 बंदा को डिटेन किया और उन लोग का बैग चेक करने के बाद हम लोग टोटल 4 पैकेट 10 केजी गांजा मिला और उसका मार्केट वैल्यू है अप्रॉक्स 1 लाख और उन लोग का घर दोनों का घर बिहार में है और हम लोग अभी NDPS एक्ट के अनुसार हम लोग कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Following the discovery, the police immediately took the 2 suspects into custody. A formal case has been registered under NDPS Act. Reported by people from Khorang, Chini, Khorang.